Good morning, Jake.
Good morning, Alex. So, what do you have for us today?
Well, today I've got a common mistake for you. I often hear some version of this. My shirt is red color, or I bought a shirt, color is red.
Right, or something like, it's early time.
Exactly. It's an easy mistake to make because we do use that kind of expression. Adjective plus noun. I have a red shirt. This is a fast car.
So, why can we say, this car is fast, but not, my car is fast speed?
Well, think about what adjectives do.
They describe a noun.
Right. So, if we look at the sentence, this car is fast, what does fast describe?
Car.
Of course. But if we look at the sentence, this car is fast speed, what does fast describe?
Speed?
Right, but really, we're talking about the car. That's the subject. This car is fast. The adjective should describe the subject.
Right, it's a basic sentence structure. Subject, verb, and complement.
But there is an even bigger problem.
Oh,
Yeah. When we say this car is fast speed, we're using the basic sentence structure, subject, verb, object. My name is Alex. This is coffee. But if we say this car is fast speed, it means the car is speed.
Oh, and that doesn't make any sense.
Right. Speed and color are nouns. If we say a noun is a noun, then it has to make sense. Coffee is a drink. That makes sense. But a car is not speed. A shirt is not color. In this case, we want to say that a noun is an adjective. This car is fast, or this is a fast car.
All right. Well, shall we do some practice together?
Yes. I'm going to say an incorrect sentence. Try and fix it at home. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's try a practice one, Jake.
Okay.
Ice cream is sweet taste.
You mean ice cream is sweet.
Exactly. So everyone, try these at home. Try to say the words. That's the best way to practice. I bought a shirt. Color is red.
I bought a red shirt.
Good job, Jake. Next one. My phone case is blue color.
My phone case is blue.
Correct again, Jake. Next one. This bicycle is expensive price.
This bicycle is expensive.
Fantastic. Next one. I went to bed late night.
I went to bed late.
Great.
Really?
No. Nice one, Jake. Next one. I woke up early time.
I woke up early.
Good job. You're 100% so far.
I'm pretty good at this.
Next one. Coffee is bitter taste.
Is it?
Mine is sweet.
Coffee is bitter.
Great. One more, Jake. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. My teacher is scary face.
My teacher has a scary face.
Yeah, that's great. Or my teacher is scary is also fine.
I don't know. You're not that scary.
Really? I don't know. That's one I've definitely heard before. Anyway, I'll try harder. All right, well, that's all for today.
Yeah. Thank you for coming in for this week's English tip.
So tune in next week for more tips, tricks, and English help.
Yeah. See you then.